Hello everyone, this is Deepinder Khandelwal from Jaipur Engineering College, Kokas, Jaipur. In this lecture, we will discuss about crystal defects. As we discussed in previous lecture, the processing characteristic and some material properties of silicon wafer depend on its orientation. For example, silicon 111 plane have highest density of atom on surface, hence crystal will grow easily on these plane. It has been also observed that silicon 111 plane oxide faster than 100 plane because they have more atoms per unit surface area available for oxidation reaction to occur. Crystal defect. In semiconductor, the atoms in crystal are displaced from their ideal location by thermal effect, create defect. These defects are known as crystal defect. As in previous lecture, we have studied about different crystal structure like as simple cubic, BCC and FCC. These all three crystal structure are consist of a unit cell. If there is any change in unit cell, that may create a crystal defect. All crystals have some type of defect. A perfect crystal with every atom of same type in the correct position does not available. The presence of most of these crystalline effect is undesirable in silicon wafers, but although certain type of defects are very essential in semiconductor manufacturing. Crystalline defect may be classified into four types of categories according to their geometry. These are classified as follow. First one, point defect or zero dimensional defect. Second one, line defect, that is also known as one dimensional defect. Third one, area defect, that is also two dimensional defect. And fourth one is volume defect, that is also known as three dimensional defect. The optical, electrical or mechanical properties of silicon are affected by these effects. So this is very important parameter to observe the silicon property. The commonly encountered defects under each of these categories are shown in table 1, in which we can see these four type of defect with their example. If we talk about point or zero dimensional defect that contain either these parts due to vacancy defect or due to interstitial defect or Frankel defect or extrinsic defect. Second one, line or one dimensional defect has due to either age or screw dislocation or dislocation loops. Third one, area defect that contain twins, grain boundaries or stacking fault. And last one, volume defect that contain voids. First one we discuss about point defect. Point defect may have a very important defect that may contain a several form of defect. We can say point defect any non-silicon atoms or that is a impurity incorporate into the lattice at either a Substantial site, we can say by replacing a host silicon atom, or interstitial site I, that means between silicon atom, is considered as a point defect. In shortly, we can say point defect is either due to vacancy created due or due to impurity added or due to shifting of vacancy or impurity. In short, point defect place where an atom is missing or irregularity place in the lattice structure. This is true at high temperature when atoms randomly changes their position, leaving behind empty lattice vacancy. The presence of point defect is important in the kinetic of diffusion and oxidation. The rate at which diffusion of dopant occurs is dependent on the concentration of vacancies. Or lastly, we can say point defect include lattice vacancies, self interstitial atoms, substitution impurity atom, and interstitial impurity atoms. Types of point defect. As we earlier discussed, the we can say point defect are divided into three categories: interstitial impurity defect, second one vacancy or Scotty defect, third one Frankel defect. These three categories are shown in figure. Impurity defect is due to added of some impurity in silicon atom that create a one type of defect. Second, vacancy defect is due to left a atom from its original place that create a vacancy. Frankel effect, that is due to shifting or changes changes of vacant and vacancy of atom, is known as Frankel defect. First one, we study about interstitial impurity defect. If a non-silicon atom occupied a non-lattice site, then it is referred to as interstitial impurity defect, or generally impurity defect is known as if impurity atom introduced into the lattice at either substantial or interstitial site is called impurity defect. This is shown in given figure. An example of interstitial impurity atom is the carbon atom that are added to carbon to make steel. Second one, security and vacancy defect. If an atom leaves its site in the lattice, thereby creating a vacancy, and then moves to the surface of the crystal, then it becomes a security or vacancy defect. In other words, we can say when a silicon atom is missing, create a vacancy in lattice called a vacancy defect or security defect, as shown in given figure. In most cases, diffusion or mass transport by automatic motion can only occur because of vacancies. Third one, Frankel defect. An atom that vacates its position in the lattice and transfer to an interstitial position in the crystal is known as Frankel defect. Or in other word, we can say if a silicon atom in an interstitial lattice site with associate vacancy is called a Frankel effect. Simply, Frankel defect is combination of interstitial silicon atoms and vacant site as shown in figure. The formation of a Frankel defect therefore produce two defects within the lattice, a vacancy and the interstitial defect. In another lecture, next we will study about dislocation, area and volume defect.